Hey, do you hate typing on smart devices like me? Well, let me show you the solution. Introducing the MIUCDA full-size folding Bluetooth keyboard. So you have the box, you have the user's manual, a USB-A to USB-C, yes, charge cable, and take a look at this folding keyboard. Look at that MIUCDA logo. Look at this cloth material. Kind of reminds me like I am like shopping for denim. That is beautiful. Look at that finish. It's pretty lightweight too. And she opened it up. Oh my goodness. Look at the beauty of this keyboard. Compact size, but it's a full-size keyboard. Look at the keys. Oh wow, that is quiet right there. It's comfortable and quiet scissor switch cap design. Alright, you have your function buttons on top. Along with your Q, W, R, T, Y buttons, controls, space bar, command, page up, page down. And look on the right, guys, it even has a built-in large size touchpad. Look at this. And also including left and right mouse click buttons, so it makes it easier to navigate. Now, just gonna fold this back up. And as you can see on top, there's a power switch and the charge port. This features a 210 milliamps lithium rechargeable battery. There you see, it's charging right now. Are you guys ready to be wowed? How many devices can I connect with this folding keyboard? One? Try two? No, how about try 3 devices? So it's compatible with Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS devices. I'm ready to pair my 3 devices. Before I do that, I want to show you, in order to pair it, you have to follow the instructions according to the manual, basically hold function, and to each of these 3 channels to pair with each of the 3 devices. So I have my iOS device right here, which is iPhone 7. So first off, I am going to power on the device. It's going to have the blue indicator light on. Okay, I am going to press function and A1 and then function plus tab to let the device know I'm pairing to the device. And to pair to the iOS device, I have to hold function plus tab for 3 seconds. Okay, make sure it's Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, and I'm going to look for the device that's called Bluetooth 5.1 keyboard 1503. There it is. Let me confirm that's working. Make sure it's in there. I'll just type J-roll, enter. Hey, that works. And I can use my left and right mouse click buttons. See? Now I'm gonna connect to my Android device, Amazon Fire 8. So function S and then function tab, okay, to pair. But because this is an Android device, I have to hold down function tab for 3 seconds until it detects it on the Bluetooth. There you see it, the Bluetooth device 1503. Very good. And to test that it's connected working, I'm gonna type NBA scores. And don't forget, on the Fire 8 tablet, I have the cursor, see? So I'm gonna go up here, enter. Yep, there's the NBA score. See, I'm using the trackpad right here. Click it right here. Left click. There we go. Now I can check out the scores. Lastly, to connect to a Windows 10 device, my Dell Touch Inspire 15 laptop. Function D, function tab, and then hold down the function and Tab button for more than 3 seconds until it pairs. I'm gonna look for the Bluetooth device connection. You may have to go add a device. There, I see it, the Bluetooth keyboard. Installing the setup. Here you see it. Okay, and to confirm that it works, try the touchpad. There it is. Okay, let's go in and search for CNN News. There you have it. Go up here, click. Wow, it works wonders. Now let's say if I want to switch to the first device, my iPhone, right? Function 1. Okay, see? All right, now function 2. See? And then function 3, back to the laptop. Yeah, it's awesome like that. Wow, this makes my life a lot easier. A lot more easier on the hands and to save time typing. And if for some weird reason you want to use multiple devices at the same time, you are able to do that connecting all 3 simultaneously. So as you can hear, the keyboard is a lot more quieter than even my much more expensive Dell Inspiron 15 Touch laptop. So if you are looking for all-in-one Bluetooth keyboard that can connect to 3 devices at the same time, definitely give the MIUCDA folding keyboard a look.